In this interactive screencast, we're dealing with a reactor into which we're loading spherical catalyst pellets, where those pellets are made up of a set material, and so we're just changing the diameter of those pellets. Right, so in other words, the catalysts have the same material, the same composition, the same porosity. All we're changing about the pellets is their size. And we're looking at the effect on the changes of size of the reactivity using a differential flow reactor. And remember, that's a reactor in which we're at differential conversion, and so we can assume that the composition of the fluid in the reactor is uniform throughout for the purpose of analyzing the kinetics. What we observe in performing these experiments is that when we have catalyst pellets with a diameter of 1 millimeter, we get a rate of 100 in certain units. The rate barely goes down when we use 2 millimeter catalyst pellets. It goes down to 98. But then when we use 8 millimeter catalyst pellets, we see that the rate goes down pretty significantly to 48. And so the question is, if we quadruple the particle size again to 32 millimeters, what's going to happen to the reaction rate? Will it stay the same at 48 as for the previous experiment, or will it be cut by a factor of 2 or a factor of 4, approximately? So please choose one of these answers that you think is the correct answer to this problem.